What a lovely day it is, isn't it? To watch a tutorial video, I mean. And in this video, I will be showing you guys how you guys can transfer your crypto from Trust Wallet to Binance. So for this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can do it for BNB, which is a native token of Binance. But you guys can apply the same step for any other crypto in Binance and Trust Wallet, alright? Now before that, for those people who do not know Binance, Binance is the largest cryptocurrency exchange where you guys can buy and sell crypto, alright? And for those people who do not know Trust Wallet is also a secure wallet where you guys can store your crypto. Since crypto is a digital currency, you guys cannot store it in your normal wallet. You need to have a digital wallet to store your digital crypto, right? That's when you need Trust Wallet like thing, alright, where you guys can store your crypto. Now let me show you guys how you guys can transfer your crypto from Trust Wallet to Binance. Now before that, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel App Tutorial for future videos just like this. And let's move on, shall we? So the first step is open Trust Wallet and go on the crypto which you want to transfer. For me, it's going to be BNB. So I'm going to click on BNB over here and go on where it says send. Now once I go on send, I need to go to Binance.com and log in into my account. And then go on where it says wallet and then go on where it says overview. Once I'm over here, I need to go on where it says deposit and go on crypto deposit. And once I go on crypto deposit, I need to choose the crypto I'm depositing. So for me, it's BNB. So I'm going to choose that. So make sure to choose BNB over here. All right. Now, since I haven't verified my identity on Binance, it's not letting me copy my wallet address of BNB. But if it was verified, I could have copied my BNB's wallet address. So come over here. If you have verified your account, it's going to let you copy the BNB's wallet address. After copying the wallet address, go on your Trust Wallet and paste the wallet address over here and enter the amount of BNB you want to transfer and then click on continue. Do that. In the next step, it's going to show you all the stuff over here and just click and continue. Right now, it's not showing me the continue button because there is now enough BNB on my account. But if there was going to be a continue button. And once I click on it, my BNB would have been transferred from Trust Wallet to Binance. It's that simple. So hope you guys were able to understand. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then.